Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. This is really impressive what Mana has been doing, not unexpected. Yeah, we talked about this extension to the upside and everybody who entered down here is probably extremely happy. I think Mana, since our entry point here, moved nice. I think it's around 68%, so nothing, even if you only entered at the absolute top of the channel, of the box, of the support box, still 59% in a couple of days is not too bad. We now need a bit more price information to say what it's doing. I've got two possible counts here. The first one is this one, where we indeed moved up in a wave 3. In a wave 3 where we would probably now enter into a wave 4. I think this might be finished now, this wave 5, because we see a bit of consolidation here. Nothing too strong, to be honest. Yeah, it could be some kind of a bullish pennant which is forming here, some kind of a triangle pattern. It's heading into the apex here, so be ready that this could break out rather sooner than later. What is very important to understand with all these coins is just because they moved like this one like 60% in a couple of days, it doesn't mean it couldn't carry on, right? I mean, FOMO is one thing, but then recognizing that a trend might be shifting as well. That's why, for example, scaling into these pullbacks could be a good strategy, which is what I do with some of these coins. But yeah, this could now be a fourth wave. It should, however, to maintain the further upside potential, and I still see further upside potential, to do that, it needs to hold. And unfortunately, due to the wave count here, we've got quite a strong pullback possibly coming. Well, not necessarily, okay. So if I pick the low down here of this wave 2, go to the high of the third wave, yeah, we're looking at a support area between 55.9 to 46.6 cents. So in the worst case, it could even come down to the 50% retracement. That would be quite a strong pullback though. But this is the area where ideally you would expect Mana now to get into in this wave 4. If we don't reach it, then this is probably not the wave 4 yet, and we will go higher in this wave 3 still. But this is where it should ideally go into and find support. Yeah, then 23.6% level at 55.9, because you know a lot of people will say now that's a huge area. It is huge, but it's only huge because of the extension of this third wave with fib levels. You see, the larger a price move is, you see how these fib levels move away from each other. So the larger an extension is, the stronger the allowed pullback in the current scenario. But yeah, if it's too big for you, then I can reduce it down. So anybody who wants a little bit more of a smaller target, here, this is the most likely area between the 50% and the 38.2 fib level. The 23.6% is the minimum target for a wave 4. It is a possible wave 4 support area. That's why I show it to you. But most likely these go down to around 38.2 fib or 50% retracement. So between basically 51 cents and 47. From here I would then expect another leg up. If however the 46 cent level breaks, or 46.7 to be accurate, if that breaks, I would have to make a change to the wave count. This is an alternative count I'd like to show you. And in this alternative count, I just have the subwaves here organized a little bit differently. And in this alternative pattern, this would have been the 3, this would have been the 4, this would have been the 5. And then we already have a situation like this, that what it did here was a 5-wave move up, complete now. And what we are then probably going to do is basically here an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. So if we do something like that, then we're heading already here. This was then a wave 1, and we're heading into a wave 2 correction. In this scenario, it needs to hold around about the 36 cent level. Otherwise, it will most likely make another low. So these are the two scenarios. I'm currently going with the first one. I prefer that because that's sort of what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing. Find that therefore a little bit more likely. Let's see. I hope that is useful. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.